I'm going to be showing you how to sell Canva templates in Etsy. Selling Canva templates on Etsy is a smart move. It is low cost, fully digital, and scalable. And here's a practical step-by-step guide. So the first thing you need to do is create your template in Canva. You need to choose what to make. It could be like Instagram posts, resume, CV templates, planners, business cards. Just design it clean and editable, and then turn it into a shareable template link. So this is the most important step. You need to open your design in Canva. You can either download the app or you can go to a website of Canva, and then you just need to share that. And through template link, you can just copy the link and buyers will use this link to edit your design. You can also try to create a download file. You don't need to upload the design itself. You upload a file with the link, open Canva or Word and write instructions like click here to access your template. Just paste your template link and export as PDF. So this is what customers download. And then all you need to do is create a Etsy listing, upload preview images, and then select the digital item option to show this is what you're selling. And that's all you need to do. So that's how you sell Canva templates on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.